Hello, welcome to Academic School. Are you looking to create a highly effective, a highly engaging lesson plan for your science lesson? Well, if yes, then we've got the tool just right for you. Introducing the 5E Instructional Model Tool, an AI-powered resource that helps you design a complete lesson plan following the 5E framework, which stands for engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Now, to access this amazing tool, you must click on this tool named the 5E Instructional Model, right? Once you click on it, give it some commands like the year level. So my students are in 6th grade. The topic or standard, I am going to teach them about photosynthesis, all right? And specifically the process of photosynthesis. And I want this lesson to be highly effective and highly engaging. Standard set. So are your students from UP board, CBSE board, etc.? So my students are from CBSE board. So I've written that. That is it. I've clicked on generate, and within seconds, we will get a fully developed 5E science lesson plan ready to inspire your students, to educate your students, and to drop an impactful learning that stays with them forever, right? Using this tool will ensure that students grow from every, sphere. And here we are. See, it has given me a complete lesson plan. How to engage, how to explore, how to explain, elaborate, and how to evaluate students at the end. Fantastic, isn't it? So thanks for watching. Try the 5E Instructional Model Tool today at Academic School and elevate your science teaching with ease. Happy teaching.